Alright guys, so this video should be posted on Christmas, and I figured I'll be doing a deck giveaway for the holidays. Now, all you have to do in order to win these 3 decks, as you can see, I have one from the Bellagio Hotel in Las Vegas, one from the Stratosphere, and one from Caesar's Palace. So these are all really popular, famous hotels, guys, and all you have to do in order to win these decks is go down in the comments below and comment why, actually, you know what, comment what is your favorite part about the holidays, and I'll go through and pick the comment that I feel stands out most to me, and I'll give away these 3 decks. Anyways, guys, here is the video. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you what is, in my opinion, probably one of the best, mathematical card tricks out there. It requires no setup, and it's completely self-working, so pretty much everybody here can do this trick without even practicing. So let's say you give the deck to the spectator, and they can shuffle it up, and then they can pick any number of cards, let's say 16. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now from this packet, the spectator can also mix up this if they want to. It's completely up to them, and they can shuffle up the pack. But the whole thing here is, let's say with the 16 cards, you have the spectator pick a number that is a little more than half of the number they originally chose. So if it's 16, it would have to be like 9 or above. So let's say they pick 10. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll put it down here. We'll do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do it one more time. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, guys, the card that you should have stopped me at from the shuffle deck was the 3 of diamonds. So if I snap my fingers, we're going to have the 3 pop up just like this. So this is a trick, guys, and if you want to do it, don't forget to stick around for the tutorial. Alright, so here's how the trick is going to work. You can have the spectator shuffle up the deck for real. You can have a borrowed deck, so this is a completely impromptu trick with no setup. The spectator really can pick any number of cards. So let's say they were going to pick a number, let's say like 13, so it's a little bit less. Let's say they wanted to pick 13 cards. So what you can do here is you can either remember the top card, in this case the 4 of diamonds, or I'll show you what I did in the performance. So let's say they pick 13, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So from this packet of cards, what you can do is you can either take a peek at the bottom card here, or you can have the spectator shuffle up the deck, and then you can take the deck back and shuffle it yourself. And when you're shuffling it, you can take a peek at that Jack of Hearts over here and lay that down first, and then continue shuffling, and now you know the bottom card of the deck. So the whole thing is, you need to know the bottom card. In this case, it's the Jack of Hearts, and the spectator can really pick any card over half of the amount of the cards in here. So in this case, you have 13. Let's say they pick the number like 9, okay, so it's over half, and what you do is you do this process 3 times. So they say they wanted the number 9, you count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you leave the deck on top, pick it up, and you do it 2 more times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, put the deck down, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now the top card is going to be whatever card was on the bottom. So in this case, it's going to be the Jack of Hearts. So before you even do the whole counting out process, if you want to, you can write down the prediction, just to make the trick a little better, since you're showing the spectators, you know the card before they've even dealt out or picked a number. So this is a trick, guys. I hope you guys like it, and as always, thanks for watching.